What was the real name of Mumtaz Mahal? Answer A. Arjuman Bano Begum. Name the only president to have been elected for 2 executive terms. Answer D. Rajendra Prasad. The Gandhi Arvind Pact was signed in the year. Answer D. 1931. The name of the first bank established in India was. Answer C. Bank of Hindustan. Who served as the first Deputy Prime Minister of independent India? Answer A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The first Governor General of India was. Answer A. Lord William Bentinck. Which of the following movement began in 1942? Answer C. Quick India Movement. Under whose leadership was the All India Muslim League set up? Answer C. Syed Ahmad Khan. Raja Tirangini, a book that generally recorded the heritage of Kashmir in the 12th century, was written by. Answer D. Kalhana. Recently, which of the following school student detected 8 asteroids? Answer D. Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. In whose time Malik Muhammad Jaisi composed Padmavat? Answer D. Sher Shah. Where is Humayun's tomb? Answer A. Delhi. Bibi ka Maqbara is located in India. Answer D. Aurangabad. Who among the following Indian rulers was a contemporary of Akbar? Answer C. Rani Durgavati. Dash is also known as the Light of Asia. Answer B. Buddha. Who was the first interim president of the Constitutional Assembly, in which leadership the first meeting of the Constitutional Assembly took place on 9 December 1946? Answer A. Sachidanand Sinha. India's first mission to the moon was launched in which year? Answer C. 2008. At which place did Gautam Buddha give the first sermon? Answer C. Vaishali. On which of the following system of Hindu philosophy Shankaracharya wrote commentary in 9th century AD? Answer B. Uttarmimanas. Which of the following Vedic texts mentioned the eastern and western seas for the first time? Answer D. Shatpat Brahmana. Mir Hasan Dehlavi was in the court of which of the following? Answer C. Alauddin Khilji. In which state is India's first dinosaur museum located? Answer A. Gujarat. Which Mughal ruler was coronated twice? Answer B. Aurangzeb. Who started the tradition of building a garden with running water? Answer A. Babur. What was the real name of Chanakya? Answer A. Vishnugupta. Which Rajput dynasty did not surrender to Akbar? Answer D. Sisodia dynasty. Where was the coronation of Akbar? Answer A. Kalanur. Azad Hind Fauj was founded in 1943 in dash. Answer D. Singapore. Gandhiji started Satyagraha in 1919 to protest against the dash. Answer D. Rowlatt Act. Which of the following was the first Law Minister of Independent India? Answer B. Bhimrao Ramaji Ambedkar. Who described the Government of India Act 1935 as a new charter of bondage? Answer A. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Who constructed GT Road? Answer C. Sher Shah Suri. Under Buddhism, Chaitya is dash. Answer D. Prayer hall. Who among the following leaders is also known as Desh Ratna? Answer A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad.